Did you know that eating just one banana a day can significantly improve your health? Bananas are packed with essential vitamins and minerals, including potassium, vitamin C, and vitamin B6. It's true. This humble fruit, often overlooked, is a powerhouse of nutrients. They are also a great source of dietary fiber, which aids in digestion and helps maintain a healthy gut. Bananas are a delicious and convenient way to boost your well-being. Whether you enjoy them as a quick snack, in a smoothie, or as part of your breakfast, they are incredibly versatile. In this article, we'll explore the amazing health benefits of incorporating bananas into your daily diet. From improving heart health to providing a natural energy boost, bananas have so much to offer. Get ready to go bananas for a healthier you. So, next time you're at the market, don't forget to pick up a bunch of these incredible fruits. Eating a banana every day can provide your body with a wide array of vitamins and minerals. This humble fruit is not only delicious but also incredibly nutritious, making it a perfect addition to your daily diet. Bananas are an excellent source of potassium, which is essential for maintaining healthy blood pressure. Potassium also plays a crucial role in muscle function and nerve signaling, ensuring that your body operates smoothly. They're also packed with fiber, which aids digestion and keeps you feeling full and satisfied. Fiber helps regulate your digestive system, preventing constipation and promoting regular bowel movements. The vitamin C in bananas supports a healthy immune system, helping your body fend off illnesses and infections. This powerful antioxidant also promotes skin health by aiding in collagen production, while vitamin B6 helps regulate mood and sleep patterns. This vitamin is essential for brain health, as it aids in the production of neurotransmitters that influence mood and cognitive function. Who knew such a simple fruit could do so much? Bananas are truly a powerhouse of nutrition, offering numerous health benefits in every bite. So next time you reach for a snack, consider grabbing a banana and unpeeling the goodness within. But how do these nutrients actually work their magic? Let's dive deeper into the fascinating world of banana nutrition and uncover the secrets behind their health benefits. Potassium, found abundantly in bananas, acts as a natural vasodilator, relaxing blood vessels and improving blood flow. This essential mineral helps maintain fluid balance in the body, ensuring that your muscles and nerves function properly. This in turn helps lower blood pressure and reduces the risk of heart disease. Regular consumption of potassium-rich foods like bananas can significantly contribute to cardiovascular health, making them a heart-friendly snack. The fiber in bananas promotes regular bowel movements and supports a healthy gut microbiome. A well-functioning digestive system is crucial for overall health, and the prebiotic fiber in bananas feeds the beneficial bacteria in your gut, enhancing digestion and nutrient absorption. Vitamin C, a potent antioxidant, protects your cells from damage caused by free radicals, boosting your immune system and protecting against chronic diseases. This vitamin also plays a role in collagen production, which is vital for skin health and wound healing. And the B vitamins in bananas play a crucial role in energy production, brain function, and mood regulation. These vitamins help convert the food you eat into energy, support neurotransmitter function, and can even help reduce symptoms of stress and anxiety, making bananas a perfect snack for both body and mind. Ready to experience the incredible health benefits of bananas for yourself? Stay tuned for a simple yet effective tip on how to easily incorporate this superfood into your daily routine. Trust me, your body will thank you.